All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Portfolio Cashflow Live. All right, with I'm Possible Terence. All right, now, so apologies for this week. I'm shifting it one day earlier to a Thursday, all right, rather than the normal Friday schedule, all right, because I have a schedule clash for tomorrow, right? But it is the July monthly option expiry, right? So I would like to continue running the session, right, so that I can benefit all of you, right, by giving you the relevant information. Yeah, okay, now, so, I'm doing my part over here, all right, and I hope, all of you will enjoy the information that I share with all of you, all right, now, so with that, all right, let's get our session started. Yeah, okay, now, so ladies and gentlemen, yeah, okay, let's kick things off. Yeah, okay, now, so let's get moving, all right, and the banner. All right, okay, so please remember the banner over here. All right, if all of you are joining me for the first time, all right, please drop a note, say hello. Yeah, okay, and let me know who's joining me live over here in today's session. Yeah, okay. All right, and okay, if you're joining me live over here, all right, please remember, all right, go to streamyard.com/Facebook. Yeah, okay, and click on the banner over there. Yeah, okay, so that Facebook will approve your profile. All right, so that when you do leave a comment during my live session, all right, I will be able to address you by person. All right, okay, now that it's out of the way, all right, I will remove the banner in a couple of minutes from now. Yeah, okay, and I still ask for those of you who are joining me live, all right, if you can drop a note to say hello to me over here, right? Okay, it'll be really, really awesome. All right, I would love to know who's joining me live in today's session. Okay, all right, and also, yeah, hi Eileen. Yeah, all right. Also, please watch the disclaimer at the bottom of the screen. Yeah, okay, because if you see it scrolling, all right, do remember that all investments bears a risk of loss. Yeah, okay, so you are supposed to do your own due diligence. Yeah, okay, be aware of all the trades and all the risk involved. Yeah, okay, before deciding to do any of these actions, right, on your own live accounts. Yeah, okay, now, so ladies and gentlemen, all right, let's get our session started. Yeah, okay, without further ado, all right, so that we can move things on, okay? All right, now, so let's go, all right? Okay, let me remove the banner first. Okay, all right, now, so I'll leave the disclaimer scrolling at the bottom, all right, and I will start my session with addressing what the market is doing. Yeah, okay, the threats of the market, all right, and what do I see, okay, and how do I plan my next move? Yeah, okay, now, so let's move the things over. All right, now, so what you see on the platform right now is none other than the SPY chart. Yeah, okay, now, so the SPY chart over here is none other than the S&P 500, right, stock version. Yeah, okay, so that's what the SPY means, right? The ETF stock version of the entire S&P 500. Now, so if you look at my charts over here, right, you see many levels of resistance and support. All right, many levels of resistance and support. Yeah, okay, now, so what you have over here, all right, okay, is a breakout. Yeah, okay, we can't deny that there's a very strong breakout over here, and the market just kept running, right, for almost close to a week now. Yeah, okay, now, so today we see a little bit of a recluse. Yeah, okay, but, okay, if this doesn't continue, right, that means, right, if we do not have heavy selling today, all right, okay, this is not going to be considered what we call the morning star. Yeah, all right, okay, now, so it's just going to be another regular pause. Yeah, okay, and what's going to happen next, all right, is anybody's guess. Yeah, okay, now, because yes, the RSI does seem like it's hooking back down. Yeah, okay, but all right, overbought is just a condition, it's not a trigger. Yeah, okay, now, so it's just a condition that can extend, all right, for a really long time. Yeah, okay, it doesn't mean that it's going to turn and start coming down immediately. Yeah, okay, now, so you must be very aware of this. Yeah, okay, and know what's going on, all right, and make your next move accordingly. Yeah, okay, all right, now, so what do I see? Yeah, okay, what I see over here, all right, is that corporate earnings, right, is going to start playing a very big part, yeah, okay, of where the next move the market is going to be. Why? Okay, because today we noticed that there are two big earnings coming out over here, right? The first one is Netflix, right? And if you do realize, right, that Netflix actually posted better than expected earnings. Can you see on my chart over here, right? We have an estimate at 280, all right, but the company actually reported, right, a number of 329. Right, so that's a hefty beat. Right, that means earnings was much better than expected. So why are you seeing the stock get down? Right now, you must understand that stocks is a matter of future pricing. Yeah, okay, so earnings is great now, right? But the company comes out and warns that the next quarter, right, they are not expecting as good results. Okay, now, so what happens? Right, the market prices, right, the stock according to future expectations. Right, that's why you're seeing the gap down. Right, so a good release on earnings doesn't guarantee that the stock is going to go higher. It doesn't, right? And if you realize, right, this good results has already been priced in. Have you realized that? Right? Because if we work the numbers out, right? Okay, this beat is about 40 cents, right? 40 cents on about 280, right? So that's about what, 15%? Right now, so in the last quarter over here, right, Netflix itself had moved up by more than 15%. Right, so this good earnings result has been priced in, yeah, okay, by the stock market. Yeah, okay, now that the company is reporting that next quarter isn't going to be as good, what do you think the market is going to do? Right, of course, they're going to sell it down. Right, and it's not just Netflix today, right, because we are also seeing the same thing happening to Tesla. Right, so many of us expected Tesla's earnings to be great. And yes, it was a great earnings. Yeah, okay, now if you look at the numbers over here, all right, okay, they expected it to be 69 cents. Can you see that? They expected it to be 69 cents, and the company reported 90 cents. That's like a 33% beat. Yeah, okay, you can't say that's bad. Yeah, okay, that's exceptionally good over here. Yeah, okay, but what's happening over here is that they are warning that the next quarter is not going to be as good. So what happens? The stock gaps down. All right, now, so that's that's why, all right, okay, many of us, right, are always saying that if you don't have a system, right, to trade around earnings and earnings release date, right, you should never do that. Yeah, okay, you should never ever do something like that. Yeah, okay, why? Because you can get caught on the wrong side, right? You may have guessed it right. Earnings is good. Yes, I agree. And it came out, earnings is good, but the stock went the other way. So many of you are left puzzled, but that's because you don't understand that it's forward pricing. Yeah, okay, so because it's forward pricing, all right, okay, the stock market and the stock price is taking into account, okay, what's going to happen next to the stock. Yeah. Okay. Now, so with that over here, all right, we're seeing two major, kind of like disappointments over here, right? And next week, yeah, all right, next week, all right, is where we have the big guns. Yeah. Okay. Why? Because Microsoft is going to come out soon. Yeah. Okay. And then so followed by Google, so followed by Amazon. Yeah. Okay. And these are the $1 trillion market caps. Yeah. Okay. So if they end up doing the same thing, which means good earnings but bad forecasts, yeah. Okay. All these stocks are going to do what you saw, right, on Netflix and Tesla. Yeah, okay. And if that's going to happen, right, that's going to drive, right, the Nasdaq stock down very quickly. Yeah, okay, because these are the stocks that brought it up, right? Okay, these are the stocks that's going to bring it down as well, right? So that's definitely one of the market threats going on, right, in the markets right now. So you have to be very aware, right? And this situation right now actually makes it very difficult, right? Okay, on my part, right, to honestly, okay, I'll tell you as honest as it gets, right? It makes it very difficult on my part, right, to eke out cash flows to hit my goals. Yeah, okay, it's been one of the toughest market, yeah, okay, I've ever experienced, right, to be honest, in more than 10 years now. Yeah, okay, where I'm actually finding only limited amount of stocks, yeah, okay, when I can generate my portfolio cash flows on. Yeah, okay, but I will do my best over here. All right, I will always balance my risk with good reasonings. Yeah, okay, and hit my kind of like cash flow targets. All right, so stay tuned. All right, if you want to find out how I'm going to do it. Yeah, all right, now so with that, okay, now let's get to our stocks. All right, and let's get to our portfolio. Okay, let's address our positions. Okay, now so I'm going to bring out the portfolio. Right now, so for those of you who are new with us, right, this is actually $100,000 portfolio. Right, and the aim of this portfolio is to generate $2,000 in cash flow. Right, on a month-to-month basis. Right now, so we have done it successfully for 12 months in a row. Yeah, okay, now, so, we did miss a couple of months, but we missed it by less than $100. Yeah, okay, so we're considering it a meet and a beat. Yeah, okay, now, so can we continue to do it, right, in the next 12 months, right? That's always the most difficult test, right? Especially with the markets right now. Okay, I don't know, right, but that's what I'm going to be working on, right, with all of you, right? Okay, because July is going to be month 13, right, if I didn't get it wrong. Right, so if July is month 13 over here, or no, month 14. Yeah, okay, month 14. Yeah, okay, now, so can I hit it 14 months in a row? All right, so we shall see. All right, anyway, all right, okay, let's get to our positions. All right, my first position is a stock holding in WBA. All right, so I've been assigned the stock at 45, and I'm still holding the stock right now. So WBA, all right, has gapped down based on earnings, but it has since rebounded. All right, now, so since it's rebounded over here, all right, I'm going to wait. Yeah, okay, I'm going to hold on to the stock. I'm going to wait. All right, and our next position over here is Intel. Yeah, okay, now, so my next position here is Intel stock. Yeah. All right, so I hold Intel stocks at 42.50. Yeah, okay, at 42.50. All right, and I did sell a call option, right, which expires tomorrow, right, okay, which is a $35 call option strike. Yeah, okay, now, so let's look at Intel. Intel is 33.85 today. All right, and when is its earnings? All right, its earnings is not until the 27th. Yeah, okay, so because earnings is not going to be, anytime soon, right, that means I can actually leave this position, right, or leave this call option to expire worthless tomorrow. Yeah, okay, so barring any sudden jump, right, above $35 in Intel shares, yeah, okay, I will be leaving this call option to expiry tomorrow. Yeah, okay, all right. If it does go above 35, right, just keep a lookout on my Facebook group and Facebook page, right, because I will be sending out a post on an update. Okay, all right. But if it stays below 35, that means no actions. We'll leave it to expire. Yeah. All right. Now, so when that option expires, right, we're gonna officially pocket, right, the $100 cash flow, right, that we generated. Yeah. Okay. Now, so our next position now is VZ. All right. So we had a call option expire last Friday. Yeah. Okay. All right. And we just hold the stock right now, which is worth $50. Right now. So we all know there's no hiding. Right. VZ hasn't done well. Right. It's been on a slump. Yeah. Okay. Ever since its dividend was being paid. Right. It's just been a slump and being sold off. Right. It's sold off very, very severely. Right. Okay. But right. Okay. These fears are being overplayed. Right. So after an insight day over here, there's a big gap the next day. Right. Okay. Which swings things around now. Right. So VZ may be covering the gap, as you see, has covered the gap. Right. It may be resuming on its way up. So if it does that, right, it's like a non-event. Yeah. Okay. It shook people out. Right. So those that were, unaware of, their investments, they don't know what they're doing. Right. Would have been shaken out over here. Right. And then now the big guns are loading up again. All right. So, that's why, I always say you need to know your stocks. All right. Okay. Hang in for the ride. Yeah. Okay. And know what you're doing. Yeah. Okay. So that's very, very important. Yeah. Okay. Now, so I'm hanging on for the ride over here. All right. Yes. I know that earnings is around the corner. All right. It's about, 25th. So that's next week. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to be hanging it through the earnings. Okay. Now, so let me share with you the logic why. Okay. Because I did say earlier, all right, we should not be playing around earnings, right? Now, this one, if you realize the stock is already hit, as low as it gets. Yeah, okay. And if you look at Verizon Wireless, yeah, okay. Now let's analyze this very realistically. All right. If I were to take a very local context, right, we are probably looking at a similar company like Mobile One, M1. Yeah, okay. Now, so the big question is, right, do you foresee that Mobile One, all right, or M1 over here, right, is going to be running into trouble? All right, okay. That means running into trouble as a business, running into trouble as a cash flow business, right, or inability, yeah, okay, to continue running as a business. I don't see that. Yeah, okay, because it's not the biggest, right? But it is number two, all right? It is making enough cash and generating enough profits, right, to keep the business sustainable. All right, it's not super profitable, yeah, okay, but it's good enough. Yeah, you see where I'm going. All right, so in Malaysia context, we're probably looking at Maxis. All right, so the same situation, right? So analyzing it this way, right? Now, so the key is, right, for a company in that position, right, does it warrant, right, this kind of damage? Because the stock did fall from 42, right, all the way down to a low of 30 this year. So the stock lost $12. Yeah, okay, that's absolutely ridiculous. All right, and if I show you something even worse, yeah, okay, if I were to show you something like 10 years monthly, can you see what's happening, everybody? This is a 10-year chart on Verizon. Yeah, it's a 10-year chart on Verizon. All right, and what are you seeing? You're seeing a 10-year low. All right, now, so, think about this. If you see M1, right, if you see Singtel, all right, trading at a 10-year low, all right, what do you think? All right, that means the stock market right now is pricing it as though it's hit bankruptcy. Does it look like it's going bankrupt? Probably not. So if it's not, all right, and you're willing to ride, all right, this situation out, then what harm is there? Right? Because what harm is there, right? When, right, even if you're wrong, right? If you look at it over here, even if you're wrong, right, you're still receiving a 65-cent dividend every 3 months. Isn't that ridiculous? You get to continue pocketing a 65-cent dividend, right, every 3 months, right, while waiting for the stock to go up, right? And looking at the current price, right, I would really say this, right? There's not much, there's really not much downside anymore. Right? I started saying this at 50. I was wrong, right? But now I'm still gonna say it. There's gonna be limited downside. Yeah, all right, okay, because that's exactly how I see the stock. All right, now, so what happens right now is if you notice, right, that in my portfolio, I have 300 shares, which equivalents to 3 options. All right, now, so I did say the maximum position I'll take in any one stock, right, it's 500 shares. So that means today I can use the stock, right, which is at a severe undervaluated price, right, okay, to load on 2 more. Yeah, okay, am I going to do that? Stay tuned to see it. Stay tuned to find out, yeah? All right, now, so let's move further first. All right, next one, we have TSN. All right, so we have TSN assigned at $77.50. Right, and I sold a $54 call option, which expires tomorrow. All right, now, so looking at TSN is at 52. All right, okay, now my strike is at 54. So once again, all right, if there's no earnings, right? If there's no earnings being scheduled, as you see, it's still far away. Yeah, okay, that means I can afford to leave this option, right, to expire worthless on its own tomorrow. All right, okay, so once this option expires worthless tomorrow, right, this $42, all right, is in the bank again. All right, it's mine. Yeah, okay, it's mine. All right, it's mine to pocket over here. All right, okay, and I can keep it. All right, now, so let's move on to our next position. All right, it's HBI. All right, so HBI has been enjoying a little bit more love over here ever since hitting bottom. All right, so it's coming back up over here. All right, and we can't do much because we're more than 50% down on this stock. All right, so I'm still going to hold it, right? Because, this retail company, yeah, okay, it is in, some kind of like a dire state, right? But I don't see it going bankrupt. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to hold it for some recovery, right? Okay, before I jumped out. Yeah, okay, now, so hang in there. Okay, for now, hang in there. All right, now, next one over here is Pfizer. All right, okay, so Pfizer, I have the stock at 47.50. All right, and where is Pfizer now? Yeah, okay, obviously it's still down, yeah? All right, okay, so Pfizer is coming close to earnings. All right, we are down on it. All right, okay, and we're just going to hold on the stock. Okay, but do remember I did sell additional Pfizer portfolio puts, yeah, okay, on the 7th of July. All right, it's for 18 August 35, and I collected 85 cents. Now, let's see what the stock, what that trade is doing now. It's worth about 41. All right, now, so I've collected about half the premiums, but, like I said, all right, this market is tough, all right? There's not a lot of undervalued stock, yeah, okay, to go around right now. So although I have half the premiums, I'd rather hang on, yeah, okay, all right, because it's another month to go, so I've collected half, I've got another half to go, it's still a fair deal, all right? So I'm going to hang in there, yeah, okay, and keep the other half, okay? So no actions on Pfizer, all right? Now, next position over here is Hawk. Yeah, okay, so Hawk is at 36. All right, we have a $36 call option which expires tomorrow. All right, and Hawk right now is at 36.22. All right, okay, am I going to lose the stock? I'm more than happy to. Trust me, I'm more than happy to. Yeah, okay, now, so I'm going to hang on to this position tomorrow. All right, and if the stock, if it expires above $36, great. Somebody's going to take my stock. All right, and what's going to happen, right, is that, I'm going to end this trade. All right, I'm going to end this trade. All right, I'm going to give up my stock at $36. Right, so I don't make any profits on the stock, right? But I get to make the profits of the 70 cents, right? Which is $280 in cash flow, right? From selling the call options. That's still a good trade. That's still a good profit. Yeah, okay. In a month, if I can generate $280, I'm not complaining. Yeah, okay. All right. Now, so let's see what happens to this position tomorrow. Yeah. Now, next one over here is Macy's. All right. Now, so Macy's, I've sold a $17 call which expires tomorrow. Yeah, okay, and the stock right now is at 16. Now, okay, let's see if there's any earnings. Nope, earnings is still far away. All right, so once again, I'm going to leave this trade, all right, and let it expire worthless. Yeah, all right, so no actions. Yeah, all right, now, so next one over here, 3M. All right, same thing as well. I have a call option, all right, okay, which is 105 strike. All right, that expires tomorrow. All right, and the stock is at 103. Yeah, okay, 103. All right, so earnings is happening on the 25th. So that's next week. All right, so once again, I'm going to hold this stock. Now, I'm not going to sell any calls because I'm going to wait till earnings and see what happens to the stock. Because if it jumps up, I may be able to get out and break even. So I'm more than happy to do that. All right, but if it comes back down, then I'll just end up holding the stock. That's fine. All right, but for now, all right, we'll let the 105 call option expire worthless on its own tomorrow. Yeah. All right, now next one over here is AT&T. All right, now so similar to Verizon Wireless, all right, AT&T is struggling. All right, it's not doing well. All right, so Verizon Wireless dip, right? AT&T dip as well. All right, so earnings is coming up as well. All right, but we have the gap up yesterday, right, which is a turnaround. All right, so this spells well. All right, okay, so we saw Verizon at the 10-year bottom. Right, AT&T is also at the 10-year bottom. All right, so can I take advantage of it? I can as well. All right, okay, why? Because currently I only have a 300 share position. So I can add 2 more portfolio puts for Verizon Wireless today for cash flow. I can add 2 more, all right, okay, for AT&T, all right, okay, for cash flow today. All right, so why not? Yeah, okay, we'll have a look later. All right, now our last position over here is VFC. Yeah, okay, now so for VFC over here, I have 200 shares. All right, so I need to change this category. All right, it's now a stock. Yeah, okay, there's no expiry date. Yeah, okay, I'm assigned the stock on 16th of June over here, right? And I collected it for $22.50. All right, so I own the shares at $22.50, and I sold a $20.50 call option, right, which expires on the 28th of July. All right, so I'm not going to do anything. Yeah, okay, I'm not going to do anything because the stock is still doing fine. All right, and this option doesn't expire till next Friday. All right, so all is good. All right, so what we have now, all right, is a series of 18 August expiry portfolio puts. Yeah, okay, now, so let's look at them. All right, we have already done Pfizer. Okay, we have already done Pfizer. So let's go to our next position, which is Devon. All right, so what happens right now is I have a Devon trade, right? A portfolio put at 45 put option. Yeah, okay, and I sold it for 102. Okay, now where is Devon right now and how much is this option worth? All right, now so let's go to Devon. Yeah, okay, Devon has been going up. All right, let's check our put options. How much is it worth? 18th of August, 45. It's only worth like 30. I probably can close it for 34 cents. Yeah, okay, now so I sold it for 102. All right, so closing it for 34 cents makes a lot of sense. I've collected more than 70% of the profits available, right, in 1 month, right, on a 2-month trade. All right, so why not? Okay, so let me go ahead and get my trade out. All right, and let me go ahead and close my Devon trade for today. All right, and let's see the official price. All right, and then we can lock it out. Yeah. All right, hang on, everybody. All right, let me get my Devon. All right, Devon, 18 August, 45. I'm gonna buy it. Okay, so let's see if I can get it. 34. That's the price. All right, and I have how many shares? Sorry, 300. All right, 3 put options. All right, great, we're done. Yeah, okay, now, so ladies and gentlemen, yeah, okay, I've bought 3 of the 18 August $45 put options. I bought 3 at 34 cents. Okay, now, so the official price that I filled at is at 34. So now we can go ahead and fill this order form. All right, now, so 0.34. All right, so that gives me a profit which should not be divided by 2 months anymore, right? Because I realized it in 1 month. Yeah, okay, so I have officially made $204 out of this trade. All right, it's a good trade. All right, $200 in cash flow. Now, what it also does is it erases my cash flow collection for next month, right? Because the trade is no longer there. All right, so I'm not splitting the cash flow. All right, right now, every single dollar is realized in this month itself. All right, so what it helps me do, right, is that now, right, we definitely crossed the $2,000 mark. All right, so we've definitely crossed the $2,000 mark. All right, and hooray. Yeah, okay, now, so let's keep going. All right, so I have the next trade over here at 18th of August, Gillette. Yeah, okay, Gillette signs, right, for 72.50 puts. Right, so what has Gillette Science done so far? Right, so Gillette. Where's my Gillette? Yes, here we are. Wow, look at Gillette. All right, so because Gillette right now has hit the 200-day moving average, right, it makes a lot of sense for us to take our profits. All right, so let's see how much premiums is left. Right, 18th of August, 72.50. I can close it for 30 cents. Of course, I'm going to do it. Yeah, okay, of course, I'm going to do it. Yeah, all right, now, so let's get it closed. All right, so I have 3 of those options. They're 30 cents. Done. Okay, great. Now, so ladies and gentlemen, all right, I filled my Devon over here, $45 puts. My Gillette, 72.50 puts. I bought 3 of them for 30 cents. All right, so this is an official fill right now. My trade is officially closed. All right, now, so since my trade is closed, all right, we can record it as well. All right, so I've collected about more than half the premiums. All right, okay, and yep, there we go, $102. Yeah, okay, now, so it's going to erase my next month's cash flow as well. All right, now, so now I'm at 2,226. Not too bad. Yeah, okay, now, so another profitable trade. All right, now, remember, all right, we were struggling to get even close to $1,000 at the start of July. All right, but come now, all right, on the 3rd week of July, and we are $2,200. Yeah, okay, just let the market do what it wants to do. Right, just keep practicing your formulas, keep practicing your reasons behind finding a trade. All right, okay, and it'll eventually come through. Yeah, okay, all right, now, so our last position over here is Apache. All right, okay, so I have Apache, $35 puts for August at 117. Yeah, okay, let's see, okay. All right, so $35 puts, we're going to keep it because there's still half the premiums left. All right, now, so that's done. All right, so let's go add some positions for our next month's cash flow. All right, now, so we have hit this month, so I can just account everything for next month's cash flow, yeah? So I'm going to do a $33. I'm comfortable with this current price. So let's do a $33 put options. Yeah, I'll get portfolio puts, right, for additional 2. Yeah, okay, add 68. All right, let's see if I can get 68. $33. Right, 67. Amen. This is bad. Give me a moment, everybody. My trading platform just hang on me. Okay, that's not good. Okay, I've got to relaunch the trading platform, so bear with me for a minute. As much as I hate it, yeah. This is why I said I don't enjoy trading this particular platform. All right, give me a minute. All right, it's finally taken. All right, it's done. All right, give me a minute. I'll just drag it across and show you in a moment. All right, there it is. All right, although it did hang, it did send my order for 68 cents. So I sold 2 of the 18 August $33 puts, right, at 68 cents. Yeah. All right, now, so let's go and record that down. All right, let's make sure I clear out these requirements first. All right, great. All right, so trade number 95. All right, so 2, right, for VZ, $33 puts. Okay, I did it on the 20th of July. All right, and collected 68 cents. All right, so I just added 2, right? Oh, I shouldn't have it. Right now, so I just added $136 for next month. All right, so we are now at $396. Oh my God, it's still far away. All right, okay, now, so let's keep going. All right, okay, now, so I'm gonna add okay, I'm gonna add what's my exposure now? 123%. I can keep adding. All right, now, so I'm gonna add another trade, all right, which is AT&T, like I said. All right, so let's go and do that. All right, so AT&T 14.58, so I can add a 14. It isn't paying much, but it's good enough. All right, now, so 27th, all right, I'll take it. All right, so I can add 2 as well. All right, great, it's done. Yeah, now, so AT&T, August 18, $14 puts. I sold 2 for 27 cents. Okay, now, so that's filled. Okay, all right, now, so let's get that recorded as well. Trade number 96, AT&T, $15. Right now, so that's $54. We're at 450, and I still have one more trade that I want to add today. Right now, so I still think that oil prices, right, are still considered undervalued. Yeah, okay, but many oil stocks have jumped. Yeah, okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take advantage of one more, right? That is a slow mover, right? So I'm going to take advantage of Dominion over here. Yeah, okay, now so Dominion is now trading at about $52. Yeah, okay, now, so this stock currently makes about $1 in profits a quarter, right? So in a year, it makes about $4, right? Okay, so this stock is not extremely undervalued, yeah, okay, but, as you see over here, the stock has not bounced up as much, yeah, okay, as the other oil stocks, right? And it's still inside this trading range, yeah, okay, and that's what I like about it. Yeah, okay, now, so we can trade this bounce on this range, right, from the bottom, right, to the top of the range, which is what is going and doing right now. Yeah, okay, so if I can get a 50 strike, right, that's pretty good, right? So a 50 strike for next month pays me about 60 cents. That's good enough. Yeah, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Yeah. All right, so 50 strike. All right, so I'm going to sell 3 of them, right, to replace my Devon, right, which I closed today. All right, so let's see if I can get a little bit more than 60. Seems like it trades in 5-cent intervals. All right, so let's take 60. All right, I'm taking at 61. Not too bad. All right, now, so Dominion, right, 18th of August, $50 puts. I've sold 3 of them for 61 cents. Okay, so that's done. All right, now, so 3 options, 6, 12, 18. That's roughly about another $180, right, in terms of my cash flow for next month. Yeah, all right, now, so let's record it down. Trade number 97. I'm coming close to trade 100 for our portfolio. All right, Dominion. All right, $50. What was it? I got filled. All right, 61. All right, there we go, $180. All right, so ain't too bad. All right, we are collecting now about $600 worth, right, of cash flow for next month. All right, we have already achieved this month's cash flow goal, so that's a good start. Yeah, okay, all right, now, and for next month, right now, right, we are about 1/3 of the way, right now. So I've still got 1 more month to go, right, or 1.5 months to achieve that goal, right? So I'm not panicking, right? So very much like last month, right, we start small, right, and slowly we'll sell our core options to, add on more cash flow, right, and try to get ourselves towards the $2,000 mark. All right, now, so that's the move that I'm going to make for my portfolio. All right, okay, I'm going to continue to monitor, right, for the call options which expires tomorrow. Right, if there's anything, I will update it inside the Facebook group. Right, okay, but let me address it. Right now, right, my entire portfolio is utilizing $174,000 in requirements. Yeah, okay, now that's about 133% of my entire portfolio cash. All right, so it's not too bad. All right, now, and I haven't accounted for I have not accounted for this month's cash flow yet. All right, so if I do that, right, we're actually much lower. There we go. All right, now, so having done that, right, my exposure rate now is only 131%. All right, so if I can find more, right, undervalued stocks come next week, all right, I can continue to sell more put options, right, to generate more cash flow. But I can't find any right now. So let's see what the earnings continue to bring for us, all right, and what we can do, all right, and then we'll take our trades as we come along. All All right, now, so I do hope you enjoyed the session. Today has been very quiet, all right? Maybe because it's not my usual Friday, so many people are not aware. Yeah, okay, but if you are listening to me live right now, right, if you can hit the like button or even share out this video, all right, it'll be really awesome. Yeah, okay, hit the like button, share out this video for me, all right, it'd be really awesome, all right? So it can also let the others who are not join us, all right, probably be aware, hey, I'm doing it live, all right? Let me see what's Terence's move. Yeah, okay, now, so Eileen, all right, okay, great, all right, I'm more than happy to answer your question. So Eileen, you're asking, hey, Terence, I have an Intel strike which expires at $34 tomorrow, all right? Please understand this is a public session, so I cannot do any advice to you. Yeah, okay, all right, all I'm doing is sharing my personal trades and my personal move, all right? And if you see over here, all right, I have a 35. Yeah, okay, I have a 35, all right? Your Intel is at, 34, all right? And where's Intel right now? It's at 33.95. All right, now, so Eileen, all right, if you have joined me long enough, yeah, okay, you can do what I've done, right, in my previous Intel call option trades. Yeah, okay, you can move it. All right, if you don't want to lose your shares at 34, all right, just close them today, all right, and then move them to a further expiry, right? Because I'm sure you can move it from a 34 to a 35. Yeah, see where I'm going. Yeah, okay, now, so I hope, if it was me, that's probably what I'm going to do. Yeah, all right, now, so I hope that helps you. Hey, Andy, you're here. All right, you've been quiet, but you're here. All right, okay, and yes, we have a Facebook user. Thank you very much for staying quiet. All right, but your last comment gave you away. All right, so can you go to the website streamyard.com/Facebook, all right, and then get yourself approved. Okay, so that come next week, all right, when you join us, all right, I'll be able to address you by name. Yeah. All right, now, so Eileen, of course, there'll be concerns where earnings come next week. All right, it may drastically cause the stock to drop back lower. All right, or it may cause the stock to gap up. Who knows? I won't know. Yeah, okay, that's why, I sold the 35, which expires tomorrow. All right, okay, and once it expires tomorrow, I'm not going to take any more call option trades until the earnings are over. All right, so Eileen, all I'll say is this, all right, you're not comfortable, yeah, okay, then you can just close that call option tomorrow. Yeah, okay, whether it's a profit or loss, you can just close it tomorrow and then start again. Yeah, okay, when, the earnings are over. All right, when, I do probably attach my next call option to my stock position over here. Yeah, that's another option you can have. All right, okay, now, so another one over here, Facebook user, if you notice your comment, all right, that is you. Yeah, okay, your Facebook profile is not approved yet. Okay, now, so if that is it, everybody, all right, I thank you very much for spending your time with me on a Thursday evening. Yeah, okay, so tomorrow there will be no Facebook live session because I have a schedule for mentoring, all right, so I won't be available. All right, so I'll see all of you next Friday, all right, Facebook Live again. All right, so this is I'm Possible Terence signing off. All right, we have officially hit our July cash flow goal yet again. Yeah, okay, if I'm not wrong, it's month 14 or month 15 in a row. Yeah, okay, and I hope to be able to continue to do so. Yeah, okay, thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you on Facebook Live next Friday again. Good night, everybody. Bye-bye for now.